downtown, you damn near be in the room.
Refrigerator. Freezer for my seeds and my product from Thailand. Mom can hold for me. This is my freezer. I will George can buy for keep my product, my stuff and my seeds, everything from Thailand.
So I set 0, make sure you reach those max temperatures in the next 12 to 24 hours. 2 to 4 hours is when they recommend for you to start putting things inside of it, okay?
Okay.
Other than that, if you have any problems, questions, or concerns, we give 48 hours to contact Home Depot. After 48 hours, you want to contact the manufacturer, okay?
Okay.
One more thing, whenever you close out your ticket, you'll receive an email to survey. You'll receive an email to survey. They're going to rate us on a scale of strongly disliked to most likely to use again. So when that email comes, if y'all can leave us some feedback, we should appreciate it, all right?
Okay.
Thank you. We're just going to get a photo, get a signature, then we'll get out your way, all right?